Kitchen cleaning may seem endless, especially when you have a few more visitors than usual. Cooking or walking around in a messy kitchen is not something to enjoy. So don't worry, we have a few tips and tricks to make kitchen cleaning and organizing easier for you. A smelly garbage disposal is surely off putting. The remedy to that is using lemon ice cubes. To make them, simply fill an ice cube tray with lemon wedges, rock salt, and water. Once frozen, pop the cubes down the drain and run your garbage disposal until the ice is gone. Rock salt scrubs the blades while ice helps knock off any junk and grime. The lemon helps your sink smelling fresh. Fill up a spray bottle with a homemade solution of 1/3 cup of water, 1/3 cup white vinegar, and half cup baking soda. When the oven is cool, remove the grates and coat the inside with the solution, making sure to avoid the heating elements. Close the door and let the solution work overnight. When you wake up, cleanse the oven with soapy water and dry using a plush cloth. To give your sink a good cleaning, wet it and sprinkle with baking soda and work it into a paste. Line the sink with paper towels soaked in white vinegar and let them sit for 20 minutes. Rinse with warm water and a soft cloth, using an old toothbrush to get into hard-to-reach areas such as the drain. Pour about 1 kettle of boiling water down the drain. Add 1 cup baking soda and 1 cup vinegar. Let the solution bubble and follow with more boiling water. To clean a gas stove, start by removing the grates and soaking them in hot water with a dissolved dishwasher tab. To clean an electric stove, remove the burner elements, spray with an oven cleaner according to instructions, and scrub with a non-abrasive sponge. Repeat until clean. Follow Thoughts Crystal for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.